guys, welcome again. On today's video we're going to prepare chips using an air fryer. We have a chopped potato, we have a little oil, that's our air fryer. I'm going to transfer sliced potato into the bowl. The reason for using an air fryer, you'll use a little oil instead of deep frying, which you'll use more oil. So we're going to add just a little bit of oil just to make it crunchy. Just a little, don't add more, because when you add more they will soak in oil. Yes, just like that. Then you're going to flip it for it to mix evenly. Just flip it, just flip it again. Then to flip it. Now we'll start air frying. We'll put it back in the air fryer. Make sure it fits well inside. We're going to set, since this air fryer has already chips on it, we're just going to take the option for chips, which will just set its time automatically. You can see the chips there. You just press the chips. It has 33 minutes at a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius. We'll wait for about half of 33 minutes. About 15 minutes later, we're going to remove it and check. You can see it has fried. We're going to flip it for the lower side to fry for the next 15 minutes for it to fry evenly. Just make sure you flip it properly. Make sure you flip it properly. Then we take it back. Yes, we'll take it back for the next 15 minutes for it to cook again, for it to fry again. You can see we have only 15 minutes remaining at the same temperature. 15 minutes are over. We are going now to remove it. It has fried evenly, as you can see, well fried, no much oil in it. It is also crunchy. We're going to transfer it into the bowl and ready to be taken. You can just add your salt and anything you want, and tomato sauce, chili. Very crunchy, very sweet. Use little oil, you save on oil. Then it doesn't take much time. For only 30 minutes you are done. Thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe for more videos. On the next video we'll do a sausage that you are seeing beside the air fryer.